kung merong national figure na pwedeng daw itandem, baka si Robin nga yun. Hindi, kayo ba, hindi nyo ino-open yung possibility na Robin may also be the vice presidential katandem?
Yeah. I mean, right now, loyalty is the most precious commodity, no? And Robin has exhibited that. And if you'll notice, there has been quite a reversal regarding the public opinion of Robin, even of certain political stalwarts, no? Kasi right now, nakita na po natin na importante naman po talaga ang edukasyon. Pero makikita rin po natin talaga yung power ng sinseridad at yung talagang willingness to fight even for the uncomfortable issues, no? He has taken on very sensitive issues such as gender issues and divorce, constitutional change. So baka yun ang pinakamaganda rin na again among the very good candidates for VP, because ang vice president usually is an advocate, no? And si Robin is a very strong advocate of even difficult issues.
Attorney, si Chicky Verhelto, no? Just
Ma'am
playing
Chicky.
devil advocate lang, attorney, no? Kasi kanina, humingi ng paumanhin. Effectively, nag-sorry si VP Sara sa Taong Bayan dahil tinulungan daw niyang manalo si PBBM, no? Bakit siya dapat pagkatiwalaan ulit ng Taong Bayan? Baka magkamali na naman yung judgment niya.
What a beautiful way to answer a calling. Not to begin with the asking for forgiveness, no? Kasi wala namang perpektong tao, and hindi nagsosorry siya sa kanyang pagtanggi, no? Sa kanyang pagtanggi. So ang ginagawa niya ngayon ay kino-correct niya yung pagtanggi na yon. And even on a belated date, she's finally answering the calling. I think marami siyang sinabing sorry about yung nahalal, about healthcare, about yung nangyayari sa bayan, the loss of sovereignty. But I think if you put that in a nutshell, she's saying sorry for not answering the calling. So it wasn't really just a mistake, but it was siguro the lack of conviction on her part at that time to answer a calling. So she's correcting it.